Replace unreliable intuition with reliable empathy. Which of these two offers do you think will be more appealing to university students as payment for community work? $30 cash or a slab of beer valued at $30? Well, if you said $30 cash, as most people do, your intuition has failed you, as has theirs. Which of these two offers do you think is more appealing to residents of earthquake-threatened Southern California? Earthquake-only insurance for $1,000 or general insurance with the same level of earthquake cover for the same $1,000? Well, if you said general insurance with the same level of earthquake cover for the same $1,000, as most people do, once again, your intuition has failed you. There is very good scientific reason why your intuition, or that of most people, was wrong on these two questions. But good scientific reasons or not, the reliance on intuition to facilitate marketing decision-making is fraught with danger. Intuition, whilst of value, is highly unreliable. What is a reliable basis for decision-making, however, is empathy. Empathy-based marketing involves walking in your customer's shoes. It involves trying to understand their experiences and how you can better help them satisfy their needs and wants. Empathy-based marketing helps marketers think like their consumers and respond accordingly. An empathy-based marketing approach involves getting close enough to your customers and potential customers to truly understand what they think and why, how they think and why, and how they will behave and why. Marketing with empathy involves shifting the focus from the genius of the insightful, intuitive manager to the truth of the purchaser or potential purchaser of the product. Insights? Firstly, intuition is a highly unreliable pathway to effective decision-making. Secondly, empathy-based marketing is a highly reliable pathway to effective decision-making. And thirdly, there is real merit in shifting the focus from decision-makers' intuition to the customer's lived experience. Recommendations? Let go of the ego that provides the certainty which allows you to base your decisions on intuition. Secondly, get closer to your customers and potential customers. And thirdly, take the time to truly understand how your customers think, how they feel, and how they will behave. To find out more, visit www.djohncarlsonesq.com. That's www.djohncarlsonesq.com, or email me, johnc@djohncarlsonesq.com. That's johnc@djohncarlsonesq.com. I'm John Carlson. Thanks for listening.